How to make a video for your business. I'm Nick with Blue Bar Digital, and today we'll talk about how to make effective videos for your business. Why make a video in the first place? People are 60% more likely to watch a video than reading text on your website, and consumers want to get as much info in the shortest time possible. 90-second videos are a great way to share info about your services. Making a few videos to show clients about your business isn't that difficult and can help attract more clients. And short videos are great because you can display one video in many places online. Here's a few production tips. The idea of making a video for your website or social media doesn't have to be intimidating. The first thing you'll need is the right equipment. And don't worry, you already have an entire movie studio in your pocket. Most modern mobile phones have video cameras that are good enough to make videos for the web. Sound. The most important thing you can do to make a good video is to invest in a microphone to improve your sound quality. Videos recorded without an external mic often have that echo sound that will just turn people off. So before you start, do yourself a favor and purchase a microphone that will connect to your mobile phone. I purchased mics like these for less than $20 from Amazon. Search for lapel mics or lavalier mics. Tripod. Holding your phone steady or far enough away to see your business in the background is important when making a good video. You may want to invest in either a selfie stick or a small tripod to help with this. Search for tripod for iPhone or tripod for Android. These should be less than $25. Always shoot your videos with the phone in landscape mode. They'll look much better online. You should start your videos with, "Hi, this is your name," with name of your practice or business, of your city, and today we'll take a tour of the office, talk about a new product, etc. This type of introduction will make it clear to the viewer what to expect and will help in your search rankings. And there you have it, our brief tutorial on how to make a video for your business. If you'd like a free 15-minute consultation on making a business video or any other digital marketing topic, leave a comment below or visit bluebardigital.com.